Ah, the good old Revell 66 Malibu flip nose. Started life as this kit, then went to this kit, then went to this kit that just came out. Gotta love this kit. Brought back a lot of great memories building it. I built it as, I just picked it up as the white issued kit, the one that just came out. But I also back in the day built the black issued kit and the red issued kit. What a rush, man. This just was a great time reliving some childhood memories. Let's get this kit opened up. Let's go through it and I'll show you what I did with it on the build video. I think you'll like it. Lucas C posted an excellent video on unboxing this kit, gave a lot of history about it, so I'm not really going to get into all the history and everything. I'll just go real quickly through the contents of what's inside. Got our glass. Glass looks nice and clean and clear. The body. One of the hood scoops, some racing seats, tranny and rear end, and there's the other hood scoop. So you got a choice between two hood scoops. You got a choice between the seats, choice between trannies. That's the neat thing about this kit, you've got several choices. Undercarriage, headers, engine plate and block, interior tub, just real basic, side pipes, dash, part of the front end clip, body looks really nice. I agree with old Luca, it's a nice looking body, especially from when this was made. We still got our scripts there. Tires. I don't mind the tires. He didn't like the tires in his video. It's kind of a mixed thing. I hear some guys say they like them, some guys don't. I don't mind these tires. I'm going to use these tires. I'm going to kind of build this back, kind of like when I built it back in the day when this thing came out. And of course I'm going to go black with the flames. Chrome tree. Let's open this up. There's our wheels, velocity stacks, carbs, valve covers, bell housing, rear suspensions, front suspension. Looking good. I like it. Of course, the decal sheet. I love these flames. Oh, Luca doesn't like the flames. He's not a fan of them. He's a fan of the stripes. So he's getting ready to get these stripes. I'm going to cut these out and mail them to him. That's another neat thing, guys. If there's some things you don't like in a kit or stuff like this, get with some other builders and trade with them. That's always fun to do. Him and I were talking one day and we were excited about this release, and man, he was all pumped up about those stripes that was on the box art. And I said, man, I don't like those stripes. And then we got to talking, and once the kit came out, and I says, I'll send you the stripes, you send me the flames. And he says, cool. So we're going to trade there. It's going to work out cool for both of us. So I'll get me another whole set of flames that I can put on another car. He's got a bunch of extra stripes he can put on another car. Let's see what the instructions have to say. What do them look like? Tells a little bit about the car. Of course, all your warnings, paint codes, part names. That's just really cool, all the part names. More part names. Here we get into the meat and potato of everything. Put the engine together, tranny together. Interior, tub slipping into the body, put the firewall on, putting tires and wheels together, getting that front end together, chassis put on, rear end put together. Boy, it feels good to go through these. This also brings back memories, kind of like that streaker vet. Choosing the hood scoops, which hood scoop you want to go with. Let me know down below what hood scoop you like. Let me know down below if you're into the flames or into the stripes. Putting the piece on to do the flip nose, and then decal placement. Let's get to building this car. First thing I like to do on this kit is take out that section in the front support. I just took it out with the back of my X-Acto knife blade. It's something I did when I was a kid when I built this, and I've always thought it made a very neat visual impact when the front end was flipped open. And there's both pieces taken out. It didn't take but just a few minutes to take them out, and I think it really adds interest. There's all my pieces taken off the tree, getting all the mold lines taken off and all the pieces prepped for paint. Speaking of paint, I wanted to show you this XF85 Tamiya Rubber Black. It's great paint to paint anything rubber, and it is so very realistic for rubber. Really like that paint, wanted to share that with you. There's everything getting painted up. There's the glue I used to put in headlights, glass, anything clear. And again, I built this thing old school like I did when I was a kid. Took it outside and just rattle canned it. I used TS40 metallic black, threw the body on some old-fashioned stands and just rattle canned that thing outside. Not too bad for walking outside. Just went with the flame decals, and you can see the stripes are pulled off. Sent off to old Lucas C. Getting everything laid out for the flames. The flames are in multiple pieces, so they go on much easier than just one huge sheet, which made it really nice. They laid down great. I didn't use any decal solvent or anything. Just lukewarm water out of the tap in that little tub right there is how I did my decals. Nothing fancy, nothing special. And they went on great. Just take your time, you'll get it. Getting the glass put in, using a can for some weight. For the interior tub's getting glued in. There, the firewall's getting glued in. Thing's really coming along now. It's getting in shape. Here's another tip I've got. When you do license plates, just take your decal sheet, cut that plate out. Do not dip it in water. Just glue it on straight from the decal sheet with some white glue. And you'll have like kind of the thickness of a real license plate. And there's the real license plate, the RAT 427 that comes on the 66 Chevelle flip nose. Finished product. This was a fun build. I really enjoyed it. Again, reliving my childhood memories. Built this thing when I was a kid and went old school again with it. Man, that thing's cool looking. Got the flip nose up, some side pipes, mag wheels. What a fun build. There's the opening part where you can see the engine. Hope you guys like this as much as I like it. Fun build. I highly recommend you go out and get the this white version kit that just came out, because you know the red one and the black one's hard to get. We'll see you on the next episode on Throttle Power.